So sorry, this is the part 2. So as I said, my name is John. If you are watching this video, make sure you watch the part 1 of the video. So the woman was able to come near the car, and then when the pastor wanted to start the journey and the trip, she come and knock the windows, say, "Pastor, have you forgotten? It's still there. You didn't pray for me." And the pastor now see that he has to get down from the car and do this prayer. As he get down, he say, "Okay, Lord, your mercy is all I need." Because he don't know the prayer point to pray. Baby come back to normal, pregnancy return back to normal. He was confused. He doesn't know what to say as prayer point, so he just called for the mercy of God. And then watch this, what happened. The woman feels satisfied. She get home. Now when she get home, the next day was a Thanksgiving. So the next day, she come and she come directly to see the man of God. The man of God say, "Woman, you again? What happened?" She said, "After he prayed yesterday and asked for mercy, when she got home, nothing happened. In the middle of the night, when she wanted to ease herself, she wanted, as usual, when she wanted to urinate, to put her hand inside her uterus, her uterus, to shift and be able to urinate. She discovered that as she wanted to put the hand to move and urinate, everything was normal. She was not finding anything again to move. So she see that she was able to urinate normally. Everything went back to normal. She said, this one she has to come and tell pastor. As she come and tell pastor, the pastor said, this one is a miracle, but go and see the doctor and come back to me for the report. As she went to the doctor said, where did you go? And they was able to settle this matter. She said, a man of God plead the mercy of God over my life, and I was able now to feel settled. That's how the doctor and the pastor was able to know each other. You see what the mercy of God is? Please, I'm begging you. There is nothing impossible God cannot do. I am begging you. There is nothing God cannot do. For a woman in this kind of situation, where the situation at last, the final stage, is that they have to remove the pregnancy before to do any operation, and she's smelling. Yet, God still, through His mercy, was able to set that woman for free of charge. People of God, love God. Love God.